Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. If you're a school student from classes 9 to 12 and have ever thought about turning an innovative idea into real business, then this video is for you. Entrepreneurship Cell of IIT Kanpur has introduced Youth Entrepreneurship Challenge YEC 2026. Now let's see in detail. So this is the official circular released by CBSE on 12th August 2026 with the subject participation in Youth Entrepreneurship Challenge YEC workshop organized by IIT Kanpur. So, Entrepreneurship Cell of IIT Kanpur is organizing Youth Entrepreneurship Challenge YEC. So, this is an online workshop which fosters entrepreneurship thinking, innovation, and problem solving skill for a student of classes 9 to 12. So, these are the workshop detail. Workshop will be conducted on 23rd August. Mode will be online, and registration for this YEC 2026 has already started on 5th August and last day is 22 August. Today is 18th August, so still you have 4 more days left, and there is no registration fees, totally free of cost, and registration is only for student of classes 9 to 12. Now let's see how you can participate. And for that, CBSE has also requested the school to disseminate this information among all their students, and participation is voluntary. It's not compulsory, but it's one of the wonderful opportunity for students to showcase their talent in front of IIT Kanpur. So this is the official website of Youth Entrepreneurship Challenge 2026. So website is ecellilitk.org/YEC. So as you can see, it is organized by Entrepreneurship Cell IIT Kanpur Youth Entrepreneurship Challenge. Now let's see, here they have already told what is Youth Entrepreneurship Challenge. So it's an ideal platform for curious young mind to tackle everyday problem with ingenuity and originality. So it's also empowering tomorrow's business leaders. So their mission is to ignite innovation so that inspiring students to think outside the box, then build viable ventures and cultivating confidence and public speaking, which is essential for future leadership. Next, these are the timeline that registration already started on 8th August and it will end on 22nd August, and they are going to conduct a live workshop on 23rd August where interactive masterclass on ideation, problem solving, and pitching will be conducted. Now, what you can expect from that workshop? You will understand what is entrepreneurship, develop entrepreneur mindset, identify real world problem, understand user need, turn problem into idea, generate and evaluate solution, build your first prototype, test and validate your idea, improve your solution, live activity and challenges, entrepreneurial keynotes, and create real world impact. And what is the benefit of participating in this competition? You can win prize worth 3 lakhs. You will get one-to-one direct mentorship from industry leader and founder. You will get a certificate from IIT Kanpur, and you will also get free pass for E-Summit 2026. Now, let's see how you can participate. So again, you need to go on top and click on this button, register now. So now let's click it here. Once you click on it, you will come to this Google page, which is Youth Entrepreneurship Challenge Workshop Registration. So you can register for this. Now let's see, after submitting the form, you will receive the link to join the workshop channel. So now let's see what is in this Google form. So first you need to check this box that your email ID will be included in your response, then add your name, your email, mobile number, board. So this competition is for all type of board, CBSE, ICSE, ICS, and state board. All boards are there. Then your school name, your class, as you can see, classes is from class 9 to 12. Then your state and declaration that you confirm that information provided above is true and correct. So with once you submit this form, you will get a mail in your email ID to join WhatsApp channel of YEC 2026. So this was the complete overview of Youth Entrepreneurship Challenge organized by Entrepreneurship Cell of IIT Kanpur. If you're a school student with innovative idea, this can be great opportunity to learn how entrepreneurs think. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video, hype the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and all the best for your entrepreneurial journey.